In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Blotato's AI image generator and most importantly, how to edit the images because you're probably not going to choose the first image you get. So first, let's go to Blotato. Go ahead and create a draft post. It can be about anything. Here, I already have a sample post about real-time deepfake video. Now click plus image or video. Okay, when you hover over it, you have two options. You can generate an AI image, which uses the open source model Flux, or you can upload an image or video file to attach to the post. Go ahead and click generate AI image. Okay. And on this first pass, Blotato is going to take your post, analyze it, and create a detailed image prompt to pass to Flux. Okay, so here's the image. You can see some of the typos and misspellings, so we're not going to want to use this initial image. Hover over the image and you'll see two options. You can regenerate directly or edit prompt. Go ahead and click edit prompt, and this will bring up the window where you can see exactly what prompt is being used. So here is the original post that created this image, and then Blotato runs it through, it's called a magic prompt. So it analyzes your post and then generates a detailed image prompt, which is what's passed to Flux. Go ahead and copy this magic prompt. We're going to paste it into this field at the top and then turn off this magic prompt toggle. So what this means is Blotato is no longer going to try to enhance the image prompt. It's just going to use this prompt as is. And now what you can do is edit the prompt however you want. Let's say we want to change the person's hair. Say has long, straight, dark hair. Okay, that's the only thing we've changed. Go ahead and click regenerate. Now you can see the person has changed and now has long, straight, dark hair because we changed the prompt. Now, what if you want to change the demographic of the person in the image altogether? Okay, so go ahead and copy this image prompt we have so far. Click save if you like this image. What I like to do is open a scratch pad. I usually open an other scratch pad. In the prompt box on the right hand side, go ahead and type this, update the following image prompt so that it shows XYZ, and then paste the prompt that we have. Okay, and then replace XYZ with how you want to change the image so that let's say I want to show a 50-year-old Filipina mom. Okay, click generate. And now ChatGPT is going to take your image prompt and update the demographic so it shows a 50-year-old Filipino woman's face. Okay, so now copy paste this. Let's go back to the image generator. Okay, click edit. I'm going to paste our new prompt here with a 50-year-old Filipino woman and click regenerate. Okay, so now we've totally changed the demographic of the image and we have text that works as well. One note here, if you are having a lot of trouble generating text with the correct spelling, I recommend using as few words as possible. So instead of typing out a whole sentence, just use a couple words, a short phrase, and you'll usually have much better luck. Now, what's cool is you can apply this same technique. Okay, going back to where we updated the image prompt, you can pretty much change any aspect of the prompt. If you want to change the entire scenery, the location, the demographic of the person, like we just did, anything else that you want to change, you can simply type it here. So let's say update the following image prompt so that the background is a beautiful Switzerland ski resort. Okay, go ahead and click generate. Okay, and then let's copy and paste this prompt over here, edit prompt. Okay, I'm going to copy paste that. We don't really need to turn the magic prompt on since we already have a really detailed image prompt. Okay, go ahead and click generate. All right, and there we have a Switzerland ski resort in the background. Now you can see some of the text is not spelled correctly anymore. So in my case, I would usually just click regenerate until it gets the spelling that I want. Okay, perfect. And there's our Switzerland ski resort in the background. So click save once you find an image that you like. And that's pretty much it. So within Blotato, it's super easy to generate AI images. You don't have to go to a separate tool. And to recap, we use this technique where initially Blotato generates a detailed image prompt, but now we want to change it. So copy paste the prompt, create a little scratch pad is what I call it. And then you want to type something like this, update the following image prompt so that blah, 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 whatever it is you want to change, whether it's the person in the image, the background of the image. If you want to add certain objects to the image, you can pretty much change anything in the image. And then ChatGPT will generate the updated image prompt. Okay, then you just go back here, edit the prompt, paste your new prompt in here, and regenerate the image until the text looks good